Well, former President Jacob Zuma is expected to head back to the Pietermaritzburg High Court on Monday, the 31st of January, to yet again challenge another court ruling against him. Zuma is expected to apply for leave to appeal Judge Piet Koen's dismissal of his earlier plea, a special plea to have advocate Billy Downer removed as prosecutor in his trial. Koen made the ruling in October last year and set down the 11th of April this year as the trial date. In dismissing Zuma's special plea, Judge Piet Koen ruled that Zuma's arguments were mainly based on fair trial rights, which could be determined in a separate application. And after evidence was led in the criminal trial, Koen has also rejected the arguments by Zuma that advocate Downer was guilty of misconduct in leaking information to the media. Earlier, the Zuma Foundation spokesperson, Mzwanele Manyi, indicated that they might appeal the court's ruling dismissing their assertion that advocate Downer had leaked information on Zuma's medical condition to the media. In May last year, Zuma pleaded not guilty to charges of corruption, racketeering, fraud and money laundering. He's accused of taking bribes from Thales, one of the successful bidders in the armament deal of the 1990s. Thales pleaded not guilty to racketeering and money laundering charges.
I consider myself to be bound by the findings made by the Supreme Court of Appeal in inter alia the spy tapes judgment, and also that of the full court of this division in the permanent stay application. That is, if Mr. Zuma was not in any event stopped from challenging issues arising in the special plea which had previously been decided in those earlier judgments. I conclude in regard to the 14 specific grounds raised, commenting on each individually, that many were based on speculation or suspicion, or are based on inadmissible hearsay evidence and not on fact. Even if in limited instances they might at best qualify as possible irregularities, these irregularities were not such as to require Mr. Downer's removal as prosecutor, and did not deprive him of the title, even in the extended sense of that word contended for by Mr. Zuma, to prosecute.